Hey there, future crypto wizards. Cloak Shadows here, and today we're diving into the exciting world of cryptocurrency transfers. Don't worry if you're new to this, we'll break it down step by step. Think of it like sending money online, but with a cool digital twist. Cryptocurrencies are digital or virtual currencies that use cryptography for security. They are decentralized and operate on technology called blockchain. USDT or Tether was created in 2014 and is significant because it's a stablecoin, meaning it's pegged to the US dollar, providing stability in the volatile crypto market. Centralized exchanges like OKX and Binance are managed by organizations, while decentralized exchanges operate without a central authority, offering different benefits and risks. We'll be focusing on moving USDT between two popular exchanges, OKX and Binance. It's like transferring money between two different banks, but in the crypto universe. Ready to become a crypto transfer pro? Let's get started. Before we jump into the transfer process, let's talk about your seed phrase. This is a super important group of words that acts like the master key to your crypto wallet. Think of it like the combination to your secret safe, your most valuable possessions. If you lose your seed phrase, you lose access to your crypto. Always keep your seed phrase safe and secure. Never share it with anyone and store it offline in a safe place. One method to create a secure seed phrase is to write it on a metal plate using an engraving tool. This makes it resistant to fire and water damage. Store this metal plate in a fireproof safe and hide the safe in a secure location. Alternatively, you can use a password manager or an encrypted USB drive to store your seed phrase digitally, but make sure it's encrypted and secure. If you lose your seed phrase, you lose access to your crypto. Unfortunately, there's no way to recover it if lost. To mitigate this risk, create multiple copies of your seed phrase and store them in different secure locations. This way you have backups in case one is lost or damaged. First things first, you need to log into your OKX account. This is where your USDT is currently stored. Head over to the OKX website or open the app on your phone. Once you're logged in, look for the Wallet or Funds section. This is where you'll find all your crypto goodies. Now locate USDT in your list of assets. Click on it to view your balance and transaction history. For added security, enable two-factor authentication in the security settings. OKX offers various types of wallets like Spot Wallet, Funding Wallet, and Margin Wallet. Choose the one that suits your needs. All right, let's move that USDT to Binance. In your USDT wallet on OKX, look for the Withdraw or Send button. Click on it to start the transfer process. You'll be asked to enter the following information: Binance wallet address. This is like the account number for your Binance wallet. You can find it in your Binance account under the deposit section for USDT. Amount. Enter the amount of USDT you want to transfer. Network. Choose the correct network for USDT transfers. This is usually TRC20 or ERC20. Let's break down the differences. TRC20 is a token standard on the Tron blockchain. It's known for lower transaction fees and faster processing times. However, not all exchanges support TRC20, so always check compatibility. ERC20, on the other hand, is a token standard on the Ethereum blockchain. It's widely supported but can have higher fees and slower transaction times. Now let's talk about common issues. One common problem is entering the wrong wallet address. Double-check the address to avoid losing your funds. Another issue is selecting the wrong network. Make sure the network on OKX matches the one on Binance. Transaction fees are also important. To minimize them, choose a network with lower fees like TRC20. Once you've double-checked all the details, click Confirm to initiate the transfer. You'll likely receive a confirmation email or notification, and that's it. Your USDT will be on its way to your Binance wallet. This process usually takes a few minutes to a few hours, depending on network traffic. Remember, always double-check the wallet address and network before confirming any transaction. Once you hit that confirm button, there's no turning back. Gap 2S. Now that we've successfully transferred USDT to Binance, let's talk about how to keep your crypto assets safe. In the world of digital currency, security is paramount. First, let's discuss the importance of using strong passwords. Many people underestimate how crucial this is. A strong password is your first line of defense against hackers. It should be long, at least 12 characters, and include a mix of upper and lower case letters, numbers, and special characters. Avoid using easily guessable information like birthdays or common words. Instead, think of a phrase or a sentence only you would know and modify it with numbers and symbols. Next, let's dive into hardware wallets. Unlike software wallets, which are online and more susceptible to hacking, hardware wallets are physical devices that store your private keys offline. This makes them much more secure. Brands like Ledger and Trezor are popular choices. When you use a hardware wallet, even if your computer is compromised, your crypto assets remain safe. Now, onto phishing scams and other common security threats. Phishing is when attackers trick you into giving them your private information, often through fake emails or websites that look legitimate. Always double-check the URL and never click on links in unsolicited emails. Enable two-factor authentication, 2FA, wherever possible. This adds an extra layer of security by requiring not just your password but also a code sent to your phone or generated by an app. Also, be cautious about sharing your personal information online. The less information you make public, the harder it is for attackers to target you. Regularly update your software and wallets to ensure you have the latest security patches. By following these tips, you can significantly reduce the risk of losing your valuable crypto assets. Stay vigilant and always prioritize security. GAP2S. And that wraps up our guide on securing your crypto assets. Remember, in the digital world, safety is in your hands. GAP2S. Thank you for watching and stay secure. GAP2S. As we look towards the future, it's essential to understand how emerging technologies and regulatory changes are shaping the crypto landscape. Two of the most exciting developments in this space are decentralized finance, or DeFi, and non-fungible tokens, or NFTs. DeFi is revolutionizing traditional financial systems by removing intermediaries and enabling peer-to-peer transactions. It allows users to lend, borrow, and earn interest on their crypto holdings without relying on traditional banks. This democratization of finance is opening up new opportunities and making financial services more accessible to people worldwide. With DeFi, your crypto assets can work for you in ways previously unimaginable. NFTs, on the other hand, are creating a new paradigm for digital ownership. These unique digital assets are stored on the blockchain and can represent anything from art to music to virtual real estate. The NFT market has exploded, with artists, creators, and collectors all participating in this new digital economy. This technology is not only changing how we buy and sell digital goods, but also how we perceive ownership and value in the digital age. Blockchain technology itself is continuously evolving. Innovations like Layer 2 solutions and cross-chain interoperability are addressing scalability issues and enabling faster, cheaper transactions across different blockchains. These advancements are crucial for the mass adoption of cryptocurrencies and will make crypto transfers more efficient and secure. However, with these advancements come regulatory challenges. Governments around the world are grappling with how to regulate this fast-evolving space. Regulatory changes can have significant impacts on cryptocurrency exchanges and users. For instance, new KYC, Know Your Customer, and AML, anti-money laundering regulations are being implemented to prevent illegal activities and protect investors. While these regulations may add some friction to the user experience, they are essential for legitimizing the industry and fostering trust. In conclusion, the future of crypto is bright, with emerging technologies like DeFi and NFTs offering new possibilities and ongoing regulatory changes aiming to create a safer, more secure environment for all participants. Stay informed, stay adaptable, and continue exploring the exciting world of cryptocurrencies. GAP2S. Thank you for joining us on this journey through the ever-evolving world of crypto transfers. Stay tuned for more updates and insights. GAP2S. Until next time, keep your crypto safe and your knowledge up to date.